Back when you were a boy, playing with American toys, asking as you fell asleep, will I ever be one of them? Now you're new in town, pretty soon you're bound to see the rules aren't written down and they don't apply them equally. You can learn to talk like them, you can learn to laugh like them, you can learn to lie like them, but will you ever be one of so hard to pronounce all these new American sounds, preferring blending into standing out. I feel there may come a day where you won't hesitate. In fact, you'll probably state, I'm not one of them.